Adequate water, sanitation, and hygiene are essential components of a healthy life. Lack of water and sanitation creates ideal conditions for diseases to thrive. Many of the rural areas lack adequate access to safe water, which makes them more susceptible to ill health. Millions of people die each year due to illnesses associated with contaminated water and improper disposal of waste. At a time when the COVID-19 virus is spreading like wildfire, there must be sufficient provision of clean water and sanitation to prevent the spread of infections and diseases.
For years, our village did not have access to clean water. Our only source of drinking water was a dilapidated and unclean well. Although the village received supply water, we villagers are skeptical about using the supply water. We used to drink water from the well. The supply water didn't suit our tastes, which is why we didn't use it for drinking and cooking, but rather used it for bathing and cleaning.
At the Gapping Space Life Skill Training under the Water, Sanitation and Hygiene module, we all were informed of the importance of clean water and were told that 75% of diseases are transmitted through water. We also got to know about seasonal diseases during the training and the difference between supply water, river water and underground water.
The training inspired the women of the village to do something about the unclean wells and ponds in their villages. Women were an important stakeholder in the whole process. Lack of access to safe drinking water at home, workplace and education makes it disproportionately harder for women and girls to lead a safe, productive and healthy life. In places where there is an inadequate supply of water, women and girls are often the ones responsible for fetching water from far off places. Apart from that, women have specific hygiene needs during menstruation, pregnancy and child rearing, which makes the availability of water more important for women. The Water, Sanitation and Hygiene module of PACE Life Skill Training responds to these issues and makes women aware of the importance of clean water, sanitation techniques, and women's right to safe sanitation and access to water.
The well and pond that we used to get water from had been dirty for a very long time. When the PACE training began, we got to know about how harmful unclean water can be for our health. We were surprised to know that the reason behind so many infections and diseases could be unclean drinking water. Inspired by the learnings from the training and by the encouragement and support we got from Hamara Bachpan Trust, we decided to clean the well and pond.
As a result of the training, women of Durbaga came together and cleaned the wells and ponds in the panchayat.
Before the training, the villagers were not at all aware of the importance of clean water and hygiene measures. It was really difficult to get them to use the supply water, and they always preferred the well water, even though it was not cleaned for years. But the training has done something commendable, inspiring the villagers to clean the well. Not only they have cleaned the well, they are also making sure that it remains clean through timely bleaching and cleaning.
सपनमो बहु बड़ आखि छोटिया भावनामो नुआ किसी भारी बढ़िया गारु सहर देशरु विदेश नबास पथ स्वच्छ भारत मो स्वच्छ